Life at the Pro Desk is busy, answering questions, directing traffic, helping customers, and making sales. Take Joe, for example. He needs a quote for his next project. Like most customers, Joe's list contains in-stock and special order items, but Joe doesn't know that. He just needs a quote. Getting options for special orders takes time. Looking for price sheets, flipping through binders, finding out which vendors to call, and then calling each vendor. Tracking down details and comparing the options can take hours or days. To place an order, Joe needs options. Which products will work? How do they compare on price? And when will special orders arrive? Wouldn't it be great if you could see all the options in one place and only the ones that are actually available? Now you can. The Quote Center is an easy way to build an accurate quote in minutes. In-stock items come from actual store inventory, and Quote Center merchants work daily with suppliers to make popular special order products available. So finding options for each item on Joe's list is a snap. Compare products, retail pricing, and lead times. It's that simple. And a single click can push the quote to ESVS. Joe's happy and ahead of schedule. He came for a quote and left with an order. The Home Depot Quote Center. Quoting simplified.